Our job is to get rid of the snow so we can find spots for people to park. So every time it snows, we plow it to the curb so we can pass the street. Once that operation's over with and we get the weather that cooperates with us to make the snow melt, we'll bring it back into the street and the cars will do the job. We lay the salt down, the cars run it over, and it all goes away.
Fine. Thanks.
Of the day is to clear the snow from the curb into the street. We have a salt spreader, a plow,
but
and an FPL.
I understand.
Everything that I was just on.
But it's chunks. It's my.
I understand it's ice, but I drove over it. There was no reason for you not to drive over that. There's nothing that's impassable.